I'm Ling Chi, and then I'm starting doing my series on Chinese brush painting for beginners. And today we're going to do a blue iris, and it's a study from Ning Yeh's book 3 of 108 flowers. In this particular book, covers peony and has 6 blue flowers. So if you're into blue flowers, this is a good book to have. And today we're going to do blue iris. And I have done a finished practice piece. This is my version of it. So from the book, it's called three brushes, large orchid bamboo, happy dot, and flow brush. When I'm doing, I would do a little variation, and then I'm proceeding it. I will talk a little bit about it. And the paper I'm doing on Practice Shuen, which is about 9.5 by 13.5, which is a very easy paper to work with, and then it's all pre-cut for you. And if you have double Shuen, premium double Shuen, single Shuen, if you like to use, they're all good for this particular subject. Any paper you're used to, unsized paper. And then the color in the book is talk about mostly Winsor Newton and watercolor, and with some Chinese yellow. That's a little bit on the high end as far as color use, and then it's harder to get. So we've been using and introducing this Chinese watercolor called Bright Light, and we have a collection of 15 color at this point, and I'm going to use that. Each color is only $2 a piece, and we don't recommend to mix this color with other Chinese watercolor if you have, because when you wet mount, they don't like each other, so they're separate. So I'm making purple, straight out of purple color, and then white, diluted white, and then I'm using sky blue, purple, a little bit black to make out my blue, and yellow, indigo, make it my dark green, and then a little bit more yellow, and that's my light green. This particular color that in the book called Pearling Violet, I'm using rouge. And then this particular one that in the book is using yellow and white, and I'm using Bright Light's mid yellow and white to get a little bit brighter for the center of the flower. So the first stroke I'm going to do is the bottom petal of the flower. In the book, it's calling for a flow brush. This is this size. And then if you are a beginner, you have trouble with moisture control, that's the good brush to use. But in my case, I don't have any moisture control, and then I wanted to show bigger stroke so you can see it from the filming, and then also seems this brush that will have more able to show the transparency, because is a bigger brush. So when I load, I can load the tip, and then there's more clear water on the top. So this is my go-to brush nowadays, which is full lotus. Or if you have any large large flow brush you enjoy to use, I would go for that. So the first stroke, I'm going to load with, so again, for beginners, you wash your brush clean and you tap it dry, and then you wet the tip of the brush. So then I'm going to load with purple, and then second color is tip with blue, and then I'm mixing. Adding a little blue. So the first stroke is kind of in the middle of the brush, middle of the paper. Then I'm using the flow for the small petal above it. So this was diluted white, and then a little bit purple, blend, purple again, blend. So then I'm doing small stroke on this, and then one a little bit heavier purple. And then I'm using Happy Doll. This color is mid yellow with white. So this is the center of the flower. And then I'm doing the top pistil. Again, purple, navy, dark blue. So I'm doing okay, and then on this part, I'm doing the second pistil and the third part. Okay, so then we'll do the side skirt. Again, it's purple with the blue, tip blue, and mix. Purple and blue on the other side. Purple and blue. And then I'm using flow brush with diluted white and purple. I think, excuse me, I'm going to use the yellow, mid yellow with white for the center. And then the purple. Okay, then we're using large Orchid Bamboo Brush. Load with light green, tip with rouge. On the book said Pearling Violet. So then we're going to do the calyx to hold the bud. And then we're loading the yellow, the diluted white. So I made a mistake. I load the white too deep, so I won't have any transparency. So then I wash it out and I load again. So then, so this is my bud. Okay, so now I'm going to do the calyx to hold the flower. So light green with rouge. In the book is Pearling Violet. Holding. And then I'm doing the bottom leaves, which is the center leaves to hold everything. Light green with red to use the stock to connect those two. Okay, and light green again. Touch the yellow. Not the yellow, I'm sorry, the rouge. And on the right side of the leaf, then I'm using dark green with our best bottle ink to do the shadow leaf. Okay, while this top is, I waited for it to dry up a little bit. Then I use Happy Dot, any kind of line brush, your favorite. And I load the purple again. And then the blue. So I'm going to do the vein of the petal. All right, then I'm going to sign my name with Happy Dot on the bottom. Hope you have a good time watching this and give it a try. It's an easy flower to paint because it's single layer petals. Give us a call if you have any questions at Oriental Art Supply 714-969-4470.